In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your online store with Shopify. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or you're a seasoned professional, Shopify offers a comprehensive platform to grow your business. Let's dive in and get your store up and running step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify's website. The exciting part is that they often offer enticing deals, like 3 months for just $1, which gives you plenty of time to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for you. On their homepage, you'll find an option to start your free trial where you can create an account. Once you've signed up successfully, you'll be directed to your Shopify store dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage products, orders, customers, and more. Now that you've made it to your dashboard, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is an essential section of your Shopify store because it's where you can adjust and fine-tune how your store operates. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options available, as these settings will shape your customers' shopping experiences. Next, locate the Payments option within the Settings menu. Payments are the lifeblood of your online store after all. When you click on Payments, you'll notice various payment options and gateways available. The next step is selecting payment providers from this section, which will take you to where you can manage how you'll accept payments from your customers. It's crucial to connect your bank account or a Visa card to Shopify so that you can begin processing transactions. By linking your chosen financial method, Shopify can route earnings directly to you as sales occur. This step is user-friendly and secure, ensuring that your financial information is protected. Once connected, you'll see a range of payment options available to your customers, such as Shop Pay installments. Offering multiple payment options is a great way to cater to your customers' preferences and can improve the checkout experience significantly. And there you have it. You've just set up the payment options for your Shopify store. By following these steps, you'll have laid the foundation for a seamless shopping experience for your customers with the reliability and flexibility that Shopify payment solutions offer. As you progress, remember that adjusting settings and testing payment methods can enhance your store's operations. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and don't forget, help is always available in Shopify's support center if you need it. Thank you for watching this video guide on setting up your online store with Shopify. Now it's time to explore, customize, and start selling. Happy selling, everyone!